Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a quick little video on how to create a website for your digital journey box. I am just going to start from the beginning. If you don't have a Gmail account, I would suggest getting one. If you're going to use Google Sites, you have to have one, but they're free, so I just type in Google Sites, and it pulls up Google Sites for me, and I have a sample one here, but I'm going to create a new one just so you can see from the very beginning. I hit that plus sign. This is, you have different themes that you can choose from. So I say this is my theme, sample. I then can insert pages right here. So I say okay, new page. One on another page, that I say page 2 goes up there. Then I can go to this page. Actually, let me give it a second. I'm going kind of fast. I can go to this page, and I can start inserting items. So, for instance, actually, let's go ahead and go to the journey box I created for you. So this one is just a sample skeleton of your journey box, and when I say this is the skeleton, I expect something like this to be shared with me. But I have the different activities. Maybe you have 6 activities listed on the top, and so each activity has a page. And then I click on the different layouts, and this will show me what it looks like afterwards. So after the title part. So for instance, if I want this, then I could say here, oops, sorry. Man, I'm struggling here. Here is the first primary source. Now, when I click here, the plus button, I can upload an image from my documents. So if you found a picture, you're going to need to download it and save it as a JPEG or some other type of picture format, and you can upload it straight from your computer. If you have a document, so this is some sort of Word document that is not going to work as a picture, you need to put it in your Google Drive, and then you can select the document from the Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive, which is immense. And just to show you, so let's do the body biography document. You see it's right here. Lots of different ones. I can select that. And then I select insert. Pull that down so you can see it. Insert. And then the Word document, which actually a Google Doc, will be placed there. It's not going to let you just copy a Word document and put it directly into the Google site. I'm not sure why that is, but you have to save it in Google Drive as a Google Doc, and then you can insert it from there. Just be sure that the Google document, is able to be viewed by other people. Anyway, so you have the different formats here. So I could insert this one underneath it. I can make these larger or smaller. Oops, I just moved it. Come back down. So I can make these little boxes fit kind of the size that I want them to. I also, if I'm tired of something, I can just delete it. So I meant to do, I don't like this here. Let's do 2 boxes instead. You can also insert dividers, You can insert buttons that will take you to another part of your website. So then you would link it here, or even link to an outside website. You can link to YouTube, all of those things. There's Google Docs is there as well. But it's actually, it's incredibly simple. I could do a text box if I just want to write some text. So here is an example of where my activity instructions could go. Each one of your activities, you're going to want to make sure that you have the sources that are needed, the questions that you're asking, and describe how the activity is going to take place in the instructions. And that's pretty much it. It's, like I said, it's really easy. I've worked with Google Sites quite a lot, but you do not have to use Google Sites. This is just one that is free to use and I'm quite familiar with, so I can help you with. Once you're done, you simply hit publish. Make sure you publish to where other people can see it. It'll ask you that. And then you are going to copy the link, and then you'll paste it onto D2L so that other people, including me and your classmates, will be able to view it. And that's about it. Good luck, and let me know if you guys have any questions.